Hadin balakut kahandriu sngi kajing tokit eki pulit eki laingut ki balasha akan no don keti ban buri eki sakhi satar bat eki tiara bala pendon kam dau raja Raghuvanshi u balasha penyap hasora bala subaru badon keti deka kurim jong u ke sonam lembat ki parlok jongka ki pulit mentaka sngi artarit unaitung kilawan rap yang yakite ki laingut shaying kashari district session and judge Shillong kite ki laingut ki kentup yau Shilom James u lokandra bat balbir Kayeng kashari ke aibor ki pulit banset khat sausngi ya Shilom James ha judicial custody Katba ya Ngut ulo kendra bat balbir pat nyusngi ha judicial custody kani kade katkom kajinge tho da utushar chanda assistant public prosecutor
that about this court decision today?
You see, the accused Shilom James, Villa and Lokendro, they were produced before the Honorable Court today after their police custody is over today. So IU has paid for 14 days judicial custody, and after hearing at length by the prosecution side, I appeared, and from legal aid Mr. Sudeep Rana appeared. So after hearing at length, court has remanded Shilom James 14 days judicial custody and other two accused, that is Lokendra and Billa, for 7 days judicial custody.
Why only 7 days for the two?
Only one 14 days custody, right?
Yes.
And Shilom James.
Shilom James for 14 days judicial custody, and this Lokendra and Billa 7 days judicial custody.
Okay.
Thank you.